Hi everyone, it's Professor Muldrow again, and I wanted to make you aware of an error you might see when trying to build your Android app. I'm going to try and build this particular one, and what happens sometimes is you might see this error in red at the bottom of your screen. Let me scroll up a little bit here. Okay, this here, there's a lot of wordage here. But basically it says, in this case, issue is found, and this dependency requires libraries and applications that dependent to compile against version 35 or later of the Android APIs. Maximum recommended compile SDK version is 34. Okay, well, what that is saying is that there's a setting somewhere in Android Studio that isn't using the right version of an API. If you get this error, here's what you should do. You need to go to this in the Gradle scripts. There's two that say build.grade.kts, but you want to go to the one that says module app, the second one. And when you do that, you see this bunch of code here. But what you want to focus on is the compile SDK and the target SDK. Right now, mine are set to 34. You want to change both of those to 35 or whatever version was highlighted in the error message that you got. Then what you need to do is you go to this blue line at the top and you have to click on the link that says sync now. So click on that and just wait for the blue line to go away at the bottom. And that should fix it. Let's find out. I'm going to now try to run this app. And lo and behold, the app is running correctly. There you go. All right, so that is how you would take care of that particular error should you get it. If you have any questions, please send me an email at kmuldrow@lbcc.edu.